Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Star. At nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong vlog ko after few months. So currently nandito kami ngayon sa Grace Residences, Tower 4, Taguig City with my hubby for a short staycation. So ayan, as you can see, may mga airplane pa at nandito ako currently sa may view deck. So, ayan, ayos-ayos muna tayo at konting pakitang tao, of course. Charot. Hindi, syempre, during staycation, dapat inaalagaan din natin yung ating room na gagamitin because tulong na rin to sa mga cleaners and also sa may-ari ng unit. And, ayan, nakaugalian ko na rin kasi talaga mag-ayos-ayos during staycation. So, ito yung kanilang area na kung saan pwede kaming mag-relax or even other guests. So, they have smart TV, refrigerator, so you can put a lot of foods here. And may mga other amenities na pwedeng gamitin and appliances. Ayan, pinakita ko naman. Pwedeng magluto, guys. They also have exhaust fan. So, medyo maganda talaga yung pagkakabuild ng room. And yan, mga cutleries, utensils. So you can cook actually your food para hindi ganun kamahal. And this is their CR. So ayan, pwede kayong washing machine, maglaba. Then may heater din sila but I haven't used this one because ayoko maligo. Malamig masyado. Ayan. So, napakaganda ng unit. By the way, guys, ipopost ko later yung may-ari ng unit, si Miss Ethel. Siya yung aking naka-transaction via Facebook Messenger. Yan. So, ito yung kanilang room. Very cozy and very aesthetic. Napaka-comfy at kung couple lang kayo at ayaw nyo talagang maabala, very suitable siya for staycation. So, napili nga namin actually is 1 night and 2 days. Pero, naisipan namin ni Happy na mag-extend kami for another day. So, ayan. Ito ang kanilang aircon. Split type na rin at napakalakas. Para kang nandito sa ibang bansa. Ayan. Magmamaganda muna ang inyong lingkod. Ayan. Very aesthetic ng kanilang room. Guys, di kayo maniniwala, for just 1,200 pesos, makakapag-stay na kayo for 22 hours. Imagine. So, ayan. Bait-baitan muna at mahal-mahalan. Charot. And so, may wifi and you can watch YouTube, Prime Video, HBO, and many more. Wala lang available Netflix dito sa unit, guys. Yan, feature ko lang ang aking financer for today's video. Thank you, hubby. Ayan, so you can watch as much as you can. And lambing-lambingan mode muna. Wow! And by the way, guys, yung room namin was located at 7th floor. Hindi ko na lang sabihin yung room number kasi baka pasukin kami mamayang gabi. Charot. Ayan. So, safe naman dito, no, sa area. May mga guards, securities, may mga cleaners, mababait, and very accommodating yung mga staffs nila sa baba. And ipapakita ko lang yung lobby nila. Ito yung lobby wherein dito located yung mga room sa 7th floor and the elevators as well. So, all working at mukhang mga bago yung mga facilities nila. Yan. So, this one is, this video was taken in the elevator and we're gonna have some coffee in Starbucks. So, by the way, may mga mall nga rin pala dito, rather. So, dito yung Grace Mall and merong mga Starbucks and other food stalls na makikita sa baba. So, medyo magastos pero if I were you, you can actually have your DIY setup of staycation. So, pwede kayong mamili. May Alphamart naman doon. So, pwede kayong mag-groceries para medyo tipid, diba? Yung 1,000 nyo, good na siya for 3 days and 2 nights stay. So, this is where yung daan. Yan, hindi ko na masabi ko ano yung gusto kong sabihin sa sobrang ganda ng place. Medyo maulan nga lang, guys, because we're currently experiencing a Bagyo 1. Yan. So, ito yung going to the Starbucks. So, makikita nyo very cozy naman yung place. And kung gusto nyo talaga mag-unwind and relax, so, and relapse na rin, rather. Oh, no! Yan, very accurate to. Lalo na pagka gantong gloomy yung weather. So, papunta kami ng Starbucks for stickers. Ayan. So, it's time for collection na. Collection season of Starbucks stickers. At ito nga pala yung napili naming drinks. So, I have coffee jelly and my husband is drinking coffee latte, I guess. So again, if you were looking for an affordable staycation place, please contact Miss Ethel. Nakapost naman doon sa aking poster. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!
Nice!